Guys, come and cook with me.
Oh no! Yes, that's what the crisis.
Emily, drop Liam. No. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll do it myself.
No, I'm not also to do.
So the rice is going to parboil. Yeah, pour water and cook it. It's hot here. The rice is going to boil. When it says boil, I want to bring it a boil, then wash it. Not to bring it a boil, I want to cook it a little bit because of the beans. I'm going to be having these beans. We are having fish. We're having fish and rice with coconut sauce. Okay, so we're gonna have this kidney beans on our rice. Let's get started. So guys, we're about to go and wash our rice now. Let's go and wash it and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Look at the rice. So I'm about to add my kidney beans to it, but I'm kind of like thinking to pour it with the water. I'm busy. I'm kind of like thinking, yeah, what's happening? I will see it later. I want to put the water so there'll be more protein on it.
You look so cool, so dark.
Yes, it's dark. So there can be more protein. That's why I'm putting it.
Oh yes, I know what you're eating today.
Fish.
Tomato sauce? Oh no, dark with tomato sauce. Come here. What you calling me?
No.
No, my feet is on the end. My feet is even hurting already where I was in the school.
So I'm gonna put I'm gonna add salt on it.
Daddy is trying to hook.
Add it, Richard. Alles good. Look at that, guys. It's ready.
Is that ready?
Mm-hmm.
So quick?
Yeah. It's already.
Now the main dish.
Not the fish, guys.
I don't want fish on my feet.
Sorry.
With your hand.
Sorry, I said.
I love your face. There.
Season with salt.
Look. Look.
Black
Oh,
pepper.
my mother.
Hot chili.
Hot chili.
Hot chili, yes. Rachel, you're noisy. You're not busy. Italian herbs. And some roasted paprika.
Roasted paprika. What are you looking for?
You thought I was doing
Rosemary oil.
You tomorrow. How do you see how I was from you? And needle. And needle. And then you come away. 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 Don't
Mm.
get.
Mommy, that looks yummy.
Mommy, I'm making
come on.
food, Mommy.
Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. For me. Darling, is that onions for me?
Love it, love it.
Mmm. They're yummy. Mm.
Onions, dude.
It's healthy.
I know.
Yummy food. Yummy food. Mommy is making yummy food.
I remember a joke from Nigeria.
Yummy food.
I remember a joke, guys. When the husband and wife is fighting, the woman will be making a very delicious food. And then the husband will pick their little baby and be throwing the baby up when they come home and see the mother of the baby is making a very delicious food. And they are both fighting. And then we throwing the baby up. Baby, yeah, baby. Even me and your mother, when we are fighting, you see that yummy food, and we must love eat it. And we singing, and we definitely eat the food.
Mommy, is that so? When husband and wife are fighting and the wife is making yummy food?
Yep. I'm gonna be using what's it called?
Garlic?
Uh,
Curry?
The garlic I'm gonna be using blended one, grounded one, not the fresh one.
Oh.
I don't be making too much. So let's see what we have. So much.
Mommy is making yummy food. But darling, we have no fight.
And I make yummy food almost every day. Okay.
Okay.
Have
What's charger?
Look at that.
so these guys, you can use milk, you can use cooking cream, you can use coconut cream. But today I'm using coconut milk. Coconut milk, that's what I'm using.
Take it in your hand.
The creamy sauce.
Coconut milk sauce.
It's creamy.
Very creamy. Non we have curry, black pepper, salt, hot chili, white pepper, Italian herbs, and roasted paprika with Maggi cube.
I'm just staying here and you're going nowhere. No.
And now the tomatoes.
So it's going to boil just a little bit, and then our fish is going to come in.
The fish will come in
Yes.
to swim.
To swim, yes.
Fish have to swim, I know.
When it doesn't swim, what does it make?
Okay, ich mach's auch.
Was soll mir fehlen mit meinem Haar, oder? Willst du hart mit meinem spielen?
0%.
Mami.
Holly, willst du das spielen mit Haar? Dornen? Willst du das, Heavenly?
Looks so yummy, darling.
Already, yes.
Heavenly,
I can't wait to eat it.
You will like
I put it into my plate for tomorrow.
it. Robert is already saving for his plates for long.
there is nothing anymore from tomorrow. Holly, was soll mir fehlen?
And now have you feet almost rich here.
No.
Heavenly, I call you here to come and set the table. She set the table for us. I will join you. You should play where you want to set first, like this, like exactly this one right here. It's something you should play with.
I want to know.
Dieses das für dich. Nein, du musst ein kleines
Richard is there.
für Mami. Liam! Liamini.
Here comes the rice.
Here comes the rice. Here comes the rice. Go and clean that up.
Emily, die sollst waschen.
Nice. Ich merk so. Mami, ich merk gut.
Very nice.
Ew. That's
Aria, stop. Aria, stop.
a red one.
It's rice with protein. With a lot of fiber.
Here comes the fish.
So sauce is ready. Dinner is ready, guys.
Heavenly?
Stuhl.
Dinner is ready.
Aria? Mommy, what's the talk?
Mami, have you touched my...
No. You have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, have you locked it? I have to call you one. And you?
Also with paper. Only outside.
Yeah, but it's
Just clean his cup well.
Nein, es soll nur 1000 sein. Wenn es drin ist, dann sind vielleicht Papierteile.
wie ein Vogel.